Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for September 2025. Ayan. So, if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong 50% discount sa mga tarot reading services hanggang August 31, 2025. Ayan. So, this is the best time na magpabook for private reading dahil kalahati lang yung babayaran nyo. And please like, share, subscribe, and also comment na rin kayo kung kayo yung naka-resonate. And paalala lang, ang reading na to ay isang general reading, so maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi, just take what resonates. Okay, let's see, Virgo. What's the energy for September sa mga Virgo? B, ayan. So, magiging busy. Magiging busy kayo. Meron kayong bibigyan ng focus ngayong September na maaring ito yung, it's either hindi nyo to masyadong na bigyan ng attention before. Kaya ngayon, bibigyan nyo ng focus o talagang ito yung priority nyo ngayon. Oo. At dahil dyan, magiging successful kayo dyan. Kasi, andun yung attention nyo eh. Whatever this is, can be a new job, a new career, a new relationship, or a project, or a new idea with a thunderbolt. Ayan o, meron kang bagong idea. This is also, maaring, meron parang eureka moment kasi to eh. Oo. Na naiisip mo. Na maganda siyang subukan, gawin. Pagiging open-minded. Maaring meron kang bagong natuklasan na idea or opportunity na ma-excite ka. Tapos magpo-focus ka lang doon. Oo. You also have the wind. Wind is, maaring ito ay ideas rin. No? Kasi wind, it symbolizes your mind, your communication. Oo. So, maaring meron kang bagong idea like the thunderbolt energy. And also, release din to ng stock energy. So, kung ano yung mga bagay na iniisip mo na laging nasa isip mo lang pero wala ka namang ginagawang action, eh maaring yun yung i-release mo na kasi naisip mo na baka hindi talaga yun para sa'yo. You're now focused on what works for you. Okay? Yun yung bibigyan mo ng attention ngayong September. Kung ano yung nagwo-work for you. Let's see your overall energy. The Star. Uy, ang ganda. The Star is about your hopes, your dreams, and the Six of Wands is success. Oh, congratulations, Virgo. Ngayong September, may mga achievements ka. You will be recognized. Maaring sa trabaho, sa career, sa business, or maaring maraming magkakaroon ng admiration sa'yo dahil sa mga ginagawa mo. You are gaining a lot of attention ngayong September. Ascendant, which is focus sa sarili. Maaring may mga improvements kang ginagawa, physically, mentally, emotionally. Especially physically ha. Pwedeng i-improve mo yung iyong pananamit, the way you carry yourself, and even yung abilities mo. Kaya, very successful ang energy mo ngayon. Yes, you're also being creative. Yung iba sa inyo, if you are open to romantic relationships, maaring merong magkakaroon ng interest para sa'yo na to go on a date. Ayan. You're also learning a new skill. Related sa creativity mo, creative knowledge, talents mo. Ngayong September. Okay, let's see what else. What is your challenge? Ano yung challenge ng mga Virgo? Justice. Balance. Naku, ang challenge ninyo ay isang katotohanan na itinatago sa inyo. Or maaring meron kayong katotohanan na marirealize or malalaman, mabubunyag sa inyo. Tinan pa natin. Balance. Oy, puro balance to. This is bringing balance into your life. Like, maaring meron kang mga priorities talaga ngayon na, parang babawi ka doon sa mga bagay na hindi mo nabigyan ng full attention mo before. And also, this is, may revelation eh. I-reveal sa'yo kung sino ang totoo sa'yo or kung ano yung intention ng taong na yan sa'yo. This can be someone sa buhay mo, no? Na you've been dealing with, pwedeng katrabaho, kapamilya, ayan. 12th house. 12th house is anything that is hidden. So talagang merong, I think that's going to be your yung pinaka-challenge mo ngayong September is kung paano mo matatanggap yung mga sitwasyon na you realize na parang hindi pala totoo sa'yo yung tao na yun or merong lapses or the intention is not good sa'yo. So you really have to protect your energies. Huwag ka masyadong yung nagtitiwala. Communication. I think there's someone na kailangan mong kausapin regarding this. Pwedeng i-confront mo siya, like, kausapin mo what's wrong, ano yung issue, bakit ganon, 'di ba? Kailangan I think you're going to meron kang kaklaruhin sa isang tao dahil sa nalaman mo tungkol sa kanya. Okay? So, depende yan. Iba-iba yan ng sitwasyon. Pwedeng specific message to sa iba sa inyo. Yung iba naman, hindi naman talaga ganun yung sitwasyon. So, for your opportunity, you have the Magician, which is your abilities, yung kakayanan mo, yung talento mo, yung knowledge mo. And you have the 6 of Cups. O, meron kang oportunidad na balikan yung mga dati mong nagawa or dati mong mga creations. Can be dati mong project or dati mong pangarap, dati mong trabaho or bagay na gusto mong i-pursue na magkakaroon ka ng pagkakataon na gawin yan ulit. Seeking. Yung iba pwedeng may plano kayo na mag-abroad or mag-travel or mag-aral. So, mababalikan nyo yan ngayong September. Yes, you're finally taking action dun sa mga goals ninyo. Second house is also about your finances. So, may opportunity ka ngayon na magdagdag ng source of income. So, maaaring meron kang bagong source of income. Can be related sa iyong kakayanan, abilities, like meron kang talento. Ayan. Wow, you are attracting abundance in your life, Virgo. So, this is something na you will be proud about yourself kasi mas productive ka ngayon. Mas marami kang kayang gawin. Mas marami kang natatapos. Mas marami kang accomplishments. And then, your blessing is okay. The Emperor and the 9 of Swords. This is about solutions to your problems. So, the blessing is, kung ano man yung problema mo or poproblemahin mo ngayong September, magagawan mo siya ng solusyon. At yung solusyon na to is, hindi man siya yung parang immediate solution, but may plano, merong sistema, may paroroonan, kumbaga. O yan, speaking of may plano, you have the Capricorn energy and flexibility. So, parang, kumbaga, i-extend mo yung iba mo pang kakayanan para magawan mo ng paraan itong challenge na to sa buhay mo. And that is a blessing para sa iyo dahil may solusyon ka na magagawa. Kasi minsan parang naisip natin, wala nang solusyon to. But the blessing for you is, ano man yung mga magiging challenging situation mo, you will be able to find a solution doon. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you are also inclined sa music. Maaring music ang makakatulong sa inyo para ma-overcome yung mga challenges ninyo. You will also have a healthy body, healthy mind, body, and spirit. Ayan. Let's see what else for Virgo. Maaring kung kayo ay, yung iba kung hindi kayo nagkakaroon ng maayos na tulog ngayong September, makakahanap kayo ng solusyon para mas maging maayos yung tulog ninyo. Yes, you are, meron kayong ima-master na skill or mas lalo nyong i-improve yung inyong galing, talento. And also, ayan o, self-improvement. Nire-reassess mo yung sarili mo ngayon. Ano pa yung pwede mong ma-achieve, ano pa yung pwede mong i-improve, gawin. And you will also appreciate yourself sa mga bagay na kaya mong gawin. Your true tribe can't show up until you do. How can you show more of the real you? Ayan. So, I think you will be ma-attract mo yung mga taong nag-a-align sa energy mo, yung mga soul family mo na nakaka-appreciate sa'yo. You will show up for them. Like, yung pagiging totoo mo sa sarili mo, the more na nagpapakatotoo ka, the more na na-attract mo yung mga taong aligned sa energy mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. See you again.